inspired by, obviously, Legend of Zelda. You want about 150 grams of watermelon that you're going to blend down, and then we are going to sieve it into our shaker. You might need a bit of encouragement, because what we really just want is the juice as opposed to the watermelon whole. One. Next we need some white cane spirit, just 1 shot of that. And then also 1 shot of buckthorn. Just put that in there. There we go. And then we need a shot of water, just to give it a bit less viscosity. And then what we need next is lavender syrup, and we're only going to use 1 spoon of this. Goodness, that's purple. There we go. Get your spoon in there a bit so that you get the excess syrup off. We don't want to lose any of that. Pop that to the side 1 second, because next is half a lime. And then just use this handy dandy juicer. Make sure that the lime is face down inside of it so you get all the juice out of it that you can. Once you've done with that, we're going to throw this away. So you'll want to make sure you've got some ice in there. We put some in earlier, so I don't need to worry about that. And once you've got all your ingredients in, put this together and give it a good shake. Mixed up nicely. You want to get your glass and fill it up about halfway with ice. Yeah, that's good. And then get your shaker. Just filter it all in there. Perfect. And if you're feeling especially fancy, which I'm always feeling especially fancy, nice little slice of lime, cut a teeny weeny divot in it, spread it over the edge there. And there is our version of Noble Pursuit. Watermelon.